Walabot DIY 2 stud finder. I'm going to show you right here how it works. First you got to calibrate it. We know where the stud is now, and we know where the center of the stud is, right? So we mark this with tape. How awesome is that? I've tried a bunch of stud finders. You'll also find wires and pipes. Now that we've found our stud, we're gonna go ahead and mark it for our bolts so we can attach our TV mount. Okay, the next step will be to pre-drill, and then we can go ahead and install our TV bracket. Alright, so we pre-drilled, or created our pilot holes. Now it's time to put in our bolts, and it's perfect. We line this up perfectly. It's perfectly level. It's ready to go. It extends and contracts. It'll turn left and right and tilt up and down, which is why I recommend the Walabot, because it can find the exact center of the stud, so that you make sure that your TV is going into the center of the stud and will stay on that wall. Walabot DIY 2 stud finder.